Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn on coordinates in Minecraft and find your missing friends. So if you're trying to find your friends on Minecraft, you both want to basically do the same thing, which is to turn on your coordinates, because you are going to use these coordinates in order to travel into their exact position. Now to do this, you can just press F3 on your keyboard and this menu or window will show up. Now don't be confused, because what you're looking for is the XYZ menu, which is going to be this specific one right here. Now this is going to be your coordinates. In our case, it's 502, 63, and 1302. Now if we move on a specific block, it will then move right here. So if your friend is something like 450, 70, you can just simply test this out right here. Now the second column is going to be the height of your player. So if you jump, it's going to simply add a number, and if you go down, it will then reduce one. And the last column is going to be another coordinate which you want to follow. So in our case, it's 470 and 1278. Once again, the second one is only the height of your player. So if you jump on a specific block, it will then add to 67, 68, and if you go down, it will then reduce the count. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.